I want to play a game. Guess
Hmm.
if Kautuk is in his old house or his new house. ब्रो, मेरे को इतने टाइम तक समझा ही नहीं कि तू
एक
अपने नए
कौतुक
घर में है।
कौतुक लिटरली ये किया है. ही इज द मीम.
तेरे को पक्का है कि देखो वो एस्टेट एजेंट ने लाके तेरे घर के दूसरे एंट्रेंस से बोला कि सर ये घर देखो मस्त है, और तू देखे बोला अरे यार बहुत मस्त है। अब तूने
और
अपना
बेचारा
घर प्रेजेंट कर लिया है,
और बेचारा इसके बीच में पूरा शिफ्टिंग किया है, लिफ्ट में सामान नीचे लेके गया, लिफ्ट में
वापस
सामान
ऊपर लेके आया। अरे क्या नया घर है।
Bro, मेरे साथ like I don't think I've done shifting as much as I've just been a part of a comedy set because the number of stupid things that have happened is just unbelievable. But yeah, this is new place.
कांग्रेट्स।
And yeah, it looks exactly like old place because you know what? Here's the amazing thing. Like if you put white walls and you put them 90 degrees, no matter where it is, it's the same.
Oh, welcome to my trick.
Yeah.
Good.
And as Baba calls it, his Tora Bora.
Yeah, the you know the amazing thing, I'll tell you what. So Thakur is in a Parisian cafe in Andheri West. Okay. And Adar I have always seen with a new cupboard somehow in the same house. How?
I don't know why it has happened. All my tables, but now I have finally like अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ एक हफ्ते में घर, जहाँ पे एक setup किया है.
Why are all your tables in front of cupboards?
Cupboards.
That is wrong furniture placement.
But why do you have so many different cupboards? I feel like every episode there's a new cupboard.
Yeah.
Kautuk, operative question is why is the table in front of a cupboard? ये पहले बता मुझे. चल, चालू करते हैं एपिसोड. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random incident where facts are given up personal stories and we talk about it. और भाई लोग बहुत टाइम से अपन ने अपने फेवरेट टॉपिक पे बात किया ही नहीं है,
Food.
जो है बॉलीवुड.
Oh,
सब चूस लिया क्या अपन ने? बॉलीवुड में कुछ है ही नहीं बचे.
नहीं, बॉलीवुड ने हमारा खून चूस लिया है. After a while, that is more.
Dude, the reason I feel like we haven't spoken about it is because Bollywood itself is not doing very well.
No, like 2023 was like every fourth day there was some movie. अरे 500 करोड़, अरे 600 करोड़, अरे 800, अरे 900,
but that's the thing, no, Varun.
1200 पब्लिक कर रहे हैं. अरे 1000 इतना मतलब मिलियन में कितना हुआ? अरे ओवरसीज, अरे ग्रॉस बॉक्स ऑफिस इंडिया, ग्रॉस ग्लोबल, यही सब चल रहा था.
But Varun,
ठीक है.
that was only in the final quarter. The first half of the year of 23, everyone was just like, bro, ये इंडस्ट्री खत्म हो गया है क्या? क्या चल रहा है ये वो? Then
नहीं, फिर पठान आया था ना. फिर पठान, जवान और एनिमल, गदर, सब. उसके बाद ये साल तो अगर नोटिस कर ब्रो, इट्स ऑल बिन स्लीपर हिट्स, राइट? इट्स
you
मूवीज
can sleep through the movies.
नो. हाँ, you can also.
हाँ.
You can
You
also.
can
That's your
sleep through
choice.
them.
That's completely your.
Unless it's Gadar, then it's just you're just shocked
Keep
every
waking up
15 seconds. हाँ, every 15 seconds ऐसा.
गदर को 4D में देखेगा तो पानी गिर रहे थे पे.
वो किया है
No,
वरुण और
मतलब
वरुण
literally
मैंने किया ऑलरेडी.
तू गदर में सो ही नहीं पाएगा. अगर तू गदर में सोया है ना, तो तू या तो बहुत थक गया है, बहुत, या तूने इंटरवल में पता नहीं मेलाटोनिन खा लिया पॉपकॉर्न की जगह पे.
या तो थिएटर का स्पीकर चल रहा नहीं है.
चल ब्रो, फिर भी सुनाई दे.
क्योंकि
फिर भी सुनाई दे.
वो गदर के 4 शो के बाद फट गया स्पीकर, तो अब क्यों हो गया?
नहीं,
Sunny
but-
Deol is just
अरे,
Sunny Deol's voice is just rotating in the ether. It just comes at you. If he's on screen, it just shows up. It chases him.
and it's just sound, just the entire 2.5 hours of him yelling is traveling through space. Anytime somebody puts TV on, ऐसे YouTube videos, तो देखो सुनाई दे. स्पीकर है नहीं.
Sunita Williams in that space station right now.
He's occasionally getting just a
Or she goes Martian, and she's like, she points the TV to the thrust, and she's like, that boy, the sound waves will give her the thrust to come back to Earth.
बेचारी. बट सुनीता everything goes.
Yeah, dude. Hopefully she
on.
comes back safely and like, yeah, just like.
No, but what
people
also
don't
great
hurry
is
up.
she's like, I don't mind now. I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Dude, but yeah.
Until she hears Gadar, then she'll be like, listen, Houston, we have a problem. I gotta leave. Why? What happened? Listen, I can hear Gadar. Okay. Hello, Elon. Can you quickly send one rocket? I can hear Gadar. What do you mean, Gadar? I'll ban it on X now. Elon.
But can you imagine that there must be a large population who has not only heard Gadar but has also watched it with subtitles.
Yeah.
तो सुन रहा है, देख रहा है.
But Gadar subtitles are only in caps lock.
In caps.
Yeah.
And there are exclamation marks. Even a hello exclamation. Hello.
Unless it's like Netflix, वहाँ पे लिखा है, Sunny Deol screams. Sunny Deol screams.
500 करोड़. ठीक है, shut the fuck up. 500 करोड़. अगर अपन सबने अपने पास जितना भी पैसा है इकट्ठा किया,
Still be 900.
आपको बेच भी दिया ना, फिर भी अपन शायद 850 करोड़ शॉर्ट होंगे from Gadar collection.
I'm ready to put our Pushteni Jayadad also in this, and we still are hitting us.
अब डाल. फिर भी पूरा 150. We'll be short 132. जो किल कर रही है by the way, bro.
Yeah, great.
Suddenly, because I was seeing ऐसे notification आया, all highest first day collection across movie, मतलब पठान वठान जवान से भी आगे. कुछ 70 something crores. Now I don't know how much is real, how much is inflated, but it's been killing it and everybody's loving it. I think ये public पक गया एक time के बाद ना थोड़ा, because you just got like a spate of one jingoistic film after another, and then just that same वही ISI एक ये एक वो की even Fighter, which I thought, मतलब मेरे को तो अच्छा लगा देख के, लेकिन मैं भी थिएटर नहीं गया, मैं जब भी Netflix पे आया तब देखा.
You have basically unraveled some 8 different talking points, which we'll cover one by
I
one.
saw a great meme about Stree 2, which is, it was like highest opening and it was whatever 70 whatever crore and 14 hours to go. So it was always they're doing all these film whatever like reels, but they're doing this hour to hour update.
Bro, you know what they started doing? First, they would tell you your collections, right? Nowadays, they tell you how many pre-bookings have been done also. तो मतलब ऐसे हम लोगों ने मंडे को खोल दिया तो मंडे को 50 लाख लोगों ने खरीद ली टिकट. सो वो दैट बिकम्स अ चुतिया. देख 50 लाख लोगों ने, अपन भी तो वही कर रहे हैं चुतिया. गेट टिकट्स क्विकली. वही स्पीकिंग ऑफ गेट टिकट्स क्विकली, इट्स लिंक बिलो.
Bro, this pre-ticket booking is really one scam, okay? Like, it's really one joke.
No, it is not a scam. You can buy test tickets before the show. You don't have to come to the venue. Please buy the tickets because we're coming to London, Amsterdam, Berlin, Mumbai भी हो रहा है अभी.
Last. हाँ, मुंबई का शो लास्ट है अभी 24 तारीख को. तो आ जाओ बॉम्बे.
Meaning it's not last in the bunch of shows we're doing. It's the last Mumbai show that
for now.
For a while.
Yeah.
But coming back.
But by the way, okay, so before we come to Stree and Stree 2 and the whole, like, I feel like this full like horror comedy boom that has happened, right? Including Bhool Bhulaiya 2 and Munjia.
And how can you forget Shehzaan Haveli, the start of it?
First one
available on Amazon Prime.
First one through the door always gets cut.
And far from us being the first one through the door, but please do watch.
We try to come through a window and shit. The other people.
So, but the thing is, I want to bring up one thing, right? So, one crazy thing that's happened recently, right? So, along with Stree 2, there was another film that released on the same day. It was called Khel Khel Mein. Okay. Did you guys see any promotion?
Khel Mein was the Anupam Kher, Anil Kapoor film, right?
What?
No. That is my movie.
There was a Khel Mein.
I mean Khel Me. It's not me. It's Khel Me. I'm playing this game alone. 11 crores.
Is it the remake of Khel Mein?
No, it is a remake of a Italian movie.
I love it. director came to me, he gave me pasta, I said, let's make it.
So was that
I
director?
made
Okay,
a movie. He didn't make
Akshay.
pasta.
Akshay, I have a script from an Italian movie. Do I have to speak in Italian? It says Akshay doing Italian dialogue.
हमारा भी आता.
अरे अब भी आता हाँ. And
So now here's the other crazy part, right? This is Akshay Kumar's third film this year.
what?
Okay, and yes, his third film this year.
That's
This
it.
calendar year.
I'm surprised it's not his third film this week. Because
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar takes out movies like it's Vada Pav at a stall.
Bro, वो एकदम genuinely.
And here's the thing, right? There are two more movies slated for this year that are going to release. It's not even done. Now, there was some Reddit thread where some guy was like, literally, he has just said, "मैं सांस लेता हूँ और अक्षय कुमार का movie आ जाता है."
Bro.
And the crazy thing is, these are the other two movies that he did. He did Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Sarfira, and Khel Khel Mein. Okay, this is this year.
Fuck. I don't even remember like ever passing by a post, or I don't know if it's not remembering or we've created this dissonance कि वो आता है और अपन देखते ही नहीं क्योंकि अपने एम्बिट में ही नहीं है.
Yeah,
don't-
so
मेरे
here's
को लग रहा है कि हम लोग को लग रहा है कि अक्षय कुमार कॉन्स्टेंटली थिएटर में नहीं है, लेकिन वो जो पोस्टर दीवार पे चिपकता है ना, वो पुराने पिक्चर का निकला ही नहीं है. क्योंकि और वो ही पोस्टर चल रहा है बिकॉज इट्स टेक्निकली अक्षय कुमार इन वन पोज विद पीपल अराउंड हिम एंड यू लाइक, ओ वो पोस्टर किसी ने फाड़ा है, सेम मूवी का दूसरा पोस्टर है.
I think हाउसफुल का कॉस्ट्यूम में इसने पूरा खेल खेल में बना दिया है. Like I remember हाउसफुल के पोस्टर में भी ऐसे टक्सीडो के कपड़े में था.
you can really, by the way, make a case for a pre-pandemic Akshay Kumar and a post-pandemic Akshay Kumar, and it's like night and day. Okay, I just want to take you through this. It's crazy. So he
Night
went
and Day
on-
also is a movie he's made by because it could be.
no,
that's Bang
that
Bang.
was- that was-
That's bang bang.
So here's the thing, okay? This is where it all took off. Okay, it started with look at this run. Okay, it was Sing is Bling, Airlift, Houseful 3, Dishum, Rustam, Jolly LLB 2, Naam Shabana, Toilet Ek Prem Katha, Padman, Gold, Simba, Kesari, Mission Mangal, Houseful 4, Good News. Okay, all of this pre-pandemic, most of these hits. Okay, like mega hits. Like he was just delivering 100 crore. Like you saw an Akshay Kumar film, you're like 100 crore. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Chal, let's move on in life. Right? Amazing. Then suddenly pandemic happens. Okay, 2020. And then just look at what, it's crazy. Lakshmi came out in 2020. It was a pandemic straight to OTT release. Then Bell Bottom.
Oh,
Okay, Bell Bottom comes out. That doesn't do well. Suryavanshi comes out, which was a hit. After that, Atrangi Ray, Bachchan Pandey, Samrat Prithviraj, Raksha Bandhan, Katputli, Ram Setu, Selfie, Oh My God 2 was a hit. Mission Raniganj, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Sarfira Khel Khel Mein. Like,
But Oh My God 2 is not his billing, huh?
no, yeah, I mean, like he
Aggressive
was, yeah, but he was like lead also. So, but that's something has happened after the pandemic to Akshay.
Bro, it just like I feel like after one point you just start seeing through it. Like how many of these would you even go watch in the theater?
No, I
Max,
think what,
oh my God, do.
yeah, I think also, Kautuk, to answer your question, something has happened after the pandemic, not to Akshay Kumar, to us, that we have now realized we don't need Akshay Kumar in our lives every week, every Friday. We
Yeah,
don't
no,
need to
and
go and watch an Akshay Kumar movie.
No, and also you realize that even if I want to watch this Akshay Kumar movie, let me wait a month. It's going to come on Netflix or any of the other big OTTs.
That's
Prime,
a huge.
क्योंकि बहुत सारे इसमें उन लोग का वैसा भी डील होता है, right? Where they have the deal with the thing, but you get limited theatrical. और फिर उसके बाद फट करके आ जाता है. And I think people are just caught on to the fact that I can just sit at home and then later if I want to watch, I'll watch it. मैं पैसा भर के नहीं जाएगा.
Yeah, I think that is
Right.
one big thing. Ki one is that also the fact ki your one outing at PVR is worth 5 times your yearly OTT subscription, right?
Yeah.
So you think twice about it, but
Of
also,
which the popcorn is 4 times, the movie is only 1 time.
exactly. So the thing is also like, for example, I feel like a movie like a Mission Raniganj where he plays like it's a real life rescue mission. He's
That's tax-free Akshay Kumar.
exactly. It would have been an easy 100 crore pre-pandemic and easy. Like you don't have to think about it. You put Akshay Kumar and let's move. Right? Like that's a biopic on a real life incident which is hopeful and inspiring and action filled. Yes. But somehow
You either die a hero or live long enough to have Akshay Kumar play you in a biopic.
you in a movie. There's something that's happened, dude. And the
All
thing
our
is-
history.
You think Akshay Kumar will end up playing himself in his own biopic?
Yeah.
Guarantee.
Who
Guarantee.
else will play me but me?
hasn't he done Chandni Chowk to China already? Isn't it done?
Yeah.
That's Akshay Kumar biopic.
Yeah, that's his biopic.
Nee, but if you think about it also, like, what are the movies this year you've gone to watch in the theater? Not Hollywood. Bolly. कितना बॉलीवुड पिक्चर थिएटर में देखा ये साल?
क्या क्या आया है ये साल, ये बोलना.
Munya. I saw Munya.
मैं बैठा
The
हूँ
last
क्या
movie
तेरे
I
इधर
saw
मिलने के लिए क्या है?
was the horror movie, the Munya.
Munjia.
Munjia.
Munya.
Yeah. I saw Madgaon Express. I saw Crew, Karina Tabu wala. And what else did I see? That's it. मैं यही पूरे साल
वो मैरी क्रिसमस तो बाद में आया था ना ये.
तो नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखा.
नहीं मैं मैरी
पर ये
क्रिसमस
साल
थिएटर
आया.
में देखा.
ठीक है,
हाँ, मैं मैरी क्रिसमस थिएटर में देखा था.
Merry Christmas is
came this year.
which released in the summer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was supposed to delay हो गया.
Classic Sriram Raghavan classic. It's a winter movie. I will release it in summer. Why suspense? Go watch.
तो मजा है
I'm
लेकिन
so confused.
हाँ, आधा सस्पेंस इसमें ही निकल रहा है. ये पिक्चर का रिलीज डेट कब था?
Classic Sriram Raghavan classic. Oh God, too good.
देखो पिक्चर अच्छा लगा लेकिन loved it. Come on. That's just fanboy speaking. Maybe
Sometimes-
Sriram fanboy लेकिन ठीक था.
I liked very much. There were some themes that came which were just too good. I liked. It then
Tell why.
other
Film studies. Write an essay on.
नहीं.
Some movies that came out.
No,
Ah.
very good. What was that? No, but that I think I saw on Netflix, man. Fuck, I don't know.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
my point. We don't end up going only nowadays unless it's some big budget. अरे कोई spectacle देखना है तो
But Thakur, that also
too will be a Top Gun. मैं Top Gun.
but that also
Yeah,
like
Mission Impossible.
like a spectacle, right? Like a massive thing. Even that's not like a full surefire hit anymore.
No.
Yeah. You look at Brahmastra, bro. It's offloaded from Dharma. It's gone.
Okay, so the thing is, like, I went, you want to watch spectacle. Like, so the thing is, I didn't see Deadpool Wolverine till last week, right after the Bangalore show. Okay, and Bangalore show ke baad, I was so tired. I fell asleep while people were cheering in the theater.
Why?
नहीं देगा.
I fell asleep. मैं थक गया था. I was just tired because late nights, horrible travel, and I decided next day मैं सुबह उठ के जैसे तुम लोग वापस बॉम्बे निकले मैं थिएटर गया because मैं रुका हूँ कब से मेरे को देखनी है पिक्चर. I have not been able to watch, and I fell asleep. I don't know why.
Yeah, wow. Dude, I haven't seen. I wanted to see Deadpool and Wolverine. I wanted to see Stree
Even
too.
I have not watched it. Three भी नहीं देखा.
I really wanted to see these movies, but I haven't, like, literally with baby can't go anywhere. So
No, like it's so weird that going and watching a movie how I used to earlier. I think ये साल I've not felt only that. I must have missed some good movies also, but गया ही नहीं है थिएटर में देखने के लिए. थोड़ा एक दो देखा जो भी टाइम पास था. Madgaon and Crew and all. It was what you expected from it. Like it's not some genre defying, have never seen this before type. You knew most of the tropes, but it's fun to watch. कि हाँ ठीक है
No,
चल 2 घंटा देखा देख के आ गया. लापता लेडीज, that's another movie this year. That was
Oh yeah, I saw that in the theater. Yeah.
but
fantastic.
Thakur, तू जो बोल रहा था ना about sleeper hits, like Lapata Ladies also, like it literally I saw that happen slowly through Twitter.
Yeah.
Like 5 people first, अरे मस्त movie है, फिर ऐसा 10 लोग, फिर ऐसा 25, like it just kept growing.
But ये धोबी घाट के साथ भी हुआ था. Same thing. Same
Yeah, but
trajectory of.
Dhobi Ghat didn't achieve this level of nowhere even close.
No, but that's also because when Dhobi Ghat came, there was no Netflix, no? So the ubiquity of the film that was not, I mean, it wasn't possible only. Dhobi Ghat didn't achieve that because of that.
Dude, the real question is this, like, do you like the theater experience today? Okay, like for example, like forget what like kind of movie, etc. Like, what is it that the theater is giving you that you want to go to the theater for, which you will not get on your, your TV? Like, what is that thing?
No, like for example, like I'm going to go watch Stree because ek to horror comedy is a genre you like. I've liked the first part also. Like I'd seen it in the theater only. It was damn good. Okay, so this will be a fun watch because like you're going with a certain expectation कि चल picture अच्छा है, comedy है, तेरे type का genre है, तो तेरे को जाने का मन करता है. So that's probably the only reason. Otherwise, that or something which you need to watch on a big screen for the kind of production quality, etc. that it might come.
For me also, I think there are some things that I don't know. There is a intangible quality to watching a film in the theater, and I really wish that I had the zeal to be able to get myself to a theater as often as I used to earlier. I can't do it anymore for various reasons. But just I think that there is magic in cinema which is visible only in the theater. There is something about that closed, dark environment with just focused, everyone looking in one direction, just very few people talking or munching popcorn, and you're fully focused on that.
Then you're also talking about a kind of movie, right, Baba? It's not like that experience of watching just with random shit fucking going on is not fun.
Let's be honest, I'm not going to watch Mission Gajgamini. That I'm not going for.
तू बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ थिएटर में जाएगा देखने के लिए?
मैं बच्चन और वरुण वाला देखा था.
तू तभी छोटा था कंपैरेटिव.
तभी टीवी नहीं था ना हमारे पास.
By the way, let me tell you, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ with Amit ji and Govinda was a unofficial remake of Bad Boys.
Yes.
ठीक है, उन्होंने बोल लिया पहला हाफ ऐसे किया और सेकंड हाफ में बोला कि एक काम कर, इनके भी जुड़वा है. सर क्यों? लेकिन नहीं डाल, तू बदल दिया पूरा. Still great, fun, entertaining watch when I was younger. Right now, I don't know who this specific बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ is targeted at because वो पुराने वाले मूवी में थोड़ा काम था कुछ. इसमें अक्षय और टाइगर श्रॉफ सिर्फ मशीन गन लेके कुछ फोड़ते जा रहे हैं, कुछ हेलीकॉप्टर आके गिर रहा है, कुछ ब्लास्ट. मैं ट्रेलर देखा, ये क्या है? इधर अपना पहले वाला बड़ा मियाँ क्या तो अल्लाह सुदेश भोसले केले के भाई, ये
मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना ओए मखना.
This just feels like a soulless video game cut out.
But also, I haven't there's very few examples of that where the first part was a different genre from the second part.
Yeah. Absolutely.
There's very few rare examples. कि तू पहला वाला कॉमेडी और दूसरा वाला थ्रिलर.
कुछ
But
भी.
that was Abbas Mastan. That was Bazigar does that over. नहीं, Bazigar has sections. It doesn't even go first half, second half.
But
Johnny Lever मतलब अभी comedy section. So
correct.
अरे Adarsh, they are saying that बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, the first part was fun, comedy, light-hearted. बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ today is Mad Max.
Gritty action.
Okay, not Mad Max.
But you know what I'm saying.
Micromax. Mad Max तो नहीं बोलूंगा इसको. पर वो पिक्चर पे कुछ 300-350 करोड़ रुपया खर्चा गया. ठीक है, एक तो कहाँ जाते ये पैसे? एक थोड़ा 12 रुपया और एक अच्छे राइटर को दो. 12 रुपया नहीं, मतलब करोड़ दो. थोड़ा इस पे फोकस करो कि how you're they keep saying that अरे mass, like you're constantly like dumbing down your narrative or like making it very this to you because you assume that's what everybody will like. Compared to that, when you see a movie like Stree, because I watched the first one, I haven't watched the second, it has reached mass and it's also a good movie, good acting, good writing, good comedy. You know what I mean? Like थोड़ा उस पे काम किया ऐसा लगता है.
Bro, one sec.
100
You're right. बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ was the budget was 350 crore.
वही तो
You're
अब
absolutely
50
right.
करोड़ कमाया पिक्चर ने.
नहीं some
नहीं,
producer apparently made
102 करोड़ बोल रहे हो.
हाँ ठीक है चलिए.
some producer randomly quoted in some interview, somebody said that is it your inflated budget is because Akshay Kumar charges 50 crores. He said no, that is not Akshay's fees, that is closer to Tiger's fees. I was like, what?
Of course, I only take 25%.
Also,
So this is
Akshay Kumar doesn't worry about front end and back ends anymore, bro. He just charges this amount and bounces. He doesn't care about back end.
Baba, by the way, speaking of front end and back end,
Tell me,
we gotta talk
more
about
about backend.
we gotta talk about the budgets that these movies are being made at. Okay, so
Yes.
100% right about stars top loading this budget. Okay, so so basically, Khel Khel Mein, okay, it is a comedy drama. The log line is 7 friends meet and they play a game. Okay, they play a game where they have to reveal every text message or whatever that comes on the
No, it's called fucking the producer.
Can we guess? Okay, can we guess and see who gets closest?
What's the budget of this movie? It's 7 friends. It's a comedy drama about 7 friends.
But it'll have 7 actors, na? Play Akshay is not playing. Oh no, then I'll charge 7 actor fee.
Yeah, but everybody else is not getting paid as much.
No, but who are there? Can you tell me 2 or 3 names in Khel Khel Mein?
Okay.
Anupam Kher?
Why are you hell bent on Anupam Kher?
Because that Khel Khel Mein was damn good, dude. That one was very nice.
Okay, it's
Anupam
got
Kher. Sridevi also was there.
It
It's
can't
got-
have Sridevi.
Akshay Kumar,
Madam.
Vani Kapoor, Tapsi Pannu, Amy Vark, Aditya Sial, Pragya Jaiswal,
What? Okay, I've lost you. Sorry.
and
Tapsi Pannu was done.
Fardeen Khan.
Oh!
Oh, so the budget increased by 12 rupees. Wait.
No, Fardeen Khan paid some money back.
Ah.
Fardeen Khan
Khan is
is Fardeen Khan is
Just to
cashback.
watch the movie 1,000 times. So it looks like collections.
Fardeen is cashback. Okay, so what are you saying? What is
It's
the
a comedy drama of 7 friends in one place with and basically it's
And everybody had to
100.
reveal who they are. And then Fardeen Khan came. And he said, I am Fardeen. And they're like, who are you?
Okay, so Akshay is at 72 crores. Akshay is at 72 crores. Now can
Holy.
we calculate from there?
180 crores.
1 second.
other is
You come to the
remarkably
number of
huge.
72 crores.
Akshay will be about 72 crores.
Akshay, 75 crores. ठीक
Okay.
है? Tapsi should be next in hierarchy of who's this. I think she should get it. उसका पता नहीं कितना 20 करोड़ तो मिलना चाहिए उसको.
ज्यादा
Okay, so-
मिलेगा, but
So on Wikipedia, the listing has been done this way: Akshay, Fardeen,
Huh?
Vani Kapoor, Tapsi Pannu, Amy Vark, Aditya
वो
Sial,
तो
Pragya
उन्होंने
Jaiswal.
alphabetically किया होगा.
अच्छा हाँ वो तो हाँ.
Nahi, Vani Kapoor is third.
V हाँ.
अरे she must be opposite Akshay. उन्होंने वैसा किया होगा.
Anyway, the budget of Khel Khel Mein,
one sec. It's 217 crores.
On what? On
Doesn't
what?
cross 200. On books it cannot cross 200.
it is exactly 200 crores.
What?
That's
For a
such a-
which is crazy for a comedy drama. I mean, I'm pretty sure like there has to be some cutaway
Because
flashback scene to like
Normally
outer space or
promotion
something.
pay, like you do 100 crore mein, this is what the mathematics should be कि 100 crore में picture बना and they spend another 100 crore on promotion, but I have
100
not seen
crore?
any promotion. Usually you
Yeah.
just double the budget of the film for promotion.
Yeah, that's like some rule of thumb.
It's
somewhere.
30%, no?
क्योंकि
No,
तू
no.
100 करोड़ की पिक्चर बनाएगा और 100 करोड़ मार्केटिंग पे खर्चा करेगा.
Almost
a bad
70
film.
crores. Yeah.
What?
No, so what Adar is talking about is they do this rule of thumb for tentpole Hollywood movies,
Yeah.
where अगर तू Avengers बनाएगा, right? तो Avengers का marketing budget is equal to Avengers का filmmaking budget. क्योंकि तू worldwide promotion
or something, yeah. It's 30
No,
or
no, no.
Like the
it's
most
straight double. It is
most
straight double.
expensive Hollywood, superhero movie has been the DCEU wali movie, which was the team up, the
Justice League.
Justice League. Because of the reshoots and shit like that, and then the marketing on top, it became the most expensive superhero movie ever made.
But you're right. It was a DC EU movie.
Yeah.
So the thing is, now
I didn't
here's the
watch it,
crazy
guys.
part,
I
right?
didn't watch it.
The crazy part is 200 crores if you want to make big budget spectacle with like, Jawan, Pathan, whatever, great. Okay, makes sense.
Hmm.
You're, doing something like spectacular. But comedy drama, you have to.
Drama about 7 friends meeting and playing a game. 200 crore.
And then Akshay comes with a rocket launcher and a machine gun. It's like, क्यों? अरे कुछ चाहिए promotion के लिए. It can't be 7 friends sitting across a table.
Like, and which is, by the way, which is something that these guys, the guys who have made all these horror comedies, right? The Maddox film guys,
Yeah.
they've got that right. They make like 130 crore horror comedy and it just makes
Yeah.
100
No,
crore, right?
Munja is also them only.
Yeah, exactly.
उनका भी वो जो भी हॉरर सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स बना रहे उसमें भेड़िया which was that वरुण धवन वाला वेयरवुल्फ वो है स्त्री है ये मुंजिया और एक कोई तो है
But somebody spoiled it for me. Should I say it? क्या?
No.
नहीं. अच्छा.
Why not?
I know who the other person is. Somebody just came and told me, ये भी है. I was like, what? But yeah, they're creating universe now. So सब लोग universe बना रहे हैं. एक cop universe है, एक horror comedy universe है, and एक और कुछ है, I think.
By the way, कॉप यूनिवर्स में भी आ रहा है नया सिंघम उसमें
Yeah.
लिकी सिंघम
दीपिका पादुकोण. हाँ.
दीपिका और अर्जुन कपूर विलेन
There was another entry in the cop universe. It was a Siddharth Malhotra.
ऑन
Sure.
प्राइम
Yeah, on Prime.
या
Forget what
वो
it was
भी वो भी
called.
आया गया
Mumbai Police Force or something.
पुलिस फोर्स something it was called, yeah, but that also came big budget, बहुत promotion ये वो, but I didn't watch. Did you watch?
I didn't know.
Didn't hear
I didn't
any
even know.
buzz.
I didn't even know this existed. I thought it was Ranveer, Akshay, and Singham, and now Deepika Padukone.
हाँ और अर्जुन कपूर विलेन और उन लोगों ने एक उसका ओटीटी पे पुलिस फोर्स उसमें सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा और शिल्पा शेट्टी या कोई तो
Okay. We'll do what we normally do on this. Just quickly since we're talking about this, right? Can you predict the top 10 so far in the year of Indian films that have made, that have done the numbers? Indian films, top 10. Let's see if you get even 4 right.
Jawan, Pathan.
Oh, Indian, so not Bollywood.
23.
Not Bollywood.
Other that's
Not
23.
just Bollywood. I'm saying Indian film.
Oh, that's 23. Oh, shit.
Come
No,
on,
20.
let's go.
ये होगा KGF आया था ना ये साल
नहीं.
KGF
KGF भी 2023.
कल्कि आया ना ये साल
Kalki, yes, Kalki is
वो
number
भी
one.
नहीं देखा मैं वो भी नहीं देखा मन भी नहीं क्या देखने को.
Yeah.
Kalki is 1200 crores.
It made 1200 crores.
Yes, 1200 crores.
That's insane.
Okay, so now
Some
let's
VFX
go.
artist, some VFX artists actually came out saying that they have taken my sequence essay, and the VFX artist is somebody who's worked on Jurassic Park and stuff. It's like they have picked up stuff that he has done. ऐसे उसने तो public domain में डाला है without credit apparently, designs and stuff.
But like I don't know, I've not seen it, so I can't comment on it.
Yeah.
But trailer was a mixed bag for me. मेरे को थोड़े parts अच्छे लगे, थोड़ा कुछ अजीब था, but I don't know.
I'll come to trailers. Just give me 4-5 top films. चल 4.
स्त्री तो हो गए अभी इतना.
Okay, Stree 2 and Kalki. चलो.
फाइटर
Fighter
No.
is true. Fighter is true.
हो गया. मडगांव क्रू.
Jailer.
Madgaon is not there. Madgaon is not there.
मडगांव didn't make too much money.
Jailer.
Jailer is not there.
Rajni? No.
What is happening?
Okay, I will tell you.
वो मामूटी का एक पिक्चर आया था वो
कौन
जिसमें
सा?
he is wearing a infinity stone वाला ऐसे कुछ तो है इसमें
Wolf. Pa?
Okay, so number 10 is Avesham, which is a Malayalam film.
Oh,
Ah.
Avesham.
Number 9 is Crew.
Hmm.
Okay. The Goat Life, which is another Malayalam film.
Malayalam film है, हाँ.
Yeah.
Oh, दिलजीत की न्यू वाली मूवी अभी जो आई है.
Wait, I'm coming. Then there is Guntur Karam. I'm sorry if I'm getting that wrong. It's a Telugu film with Mahesh Babu. There is Shaitan with Ajay
Oh,
Devgn.
yes. Good news.
Okay.
Bad news.
That is at 211 crores.
What?
Good news.
Shaitan.
Vicky Kaushal.
No, good news, bad news is not there.
Shaitan.
shit.
Then there is Manjumel Boys, which is again Malayalam.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Then there's 3-2 Fighter, and then Hanu Man,
Yeah.
which is again a predominantly Telugu film. I mean, it's a Telugu superhero film, and Kalki. This is really where we are today, as of today. But 1,200 crores for an Amitabh Bachchan film in 2024.
Not Amitabh Bachchan film, na? It's
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
Tika also.
It's not Bade Miya Chote Miya. Like let's.
No, it's
Kalki
also
is
Kamal
not.
Hassan. I get it. It's also Kamal Hassan. I get it. But still, dude, I don't know how. But
But
That's
uh,
crazy. Wow. Yeah, it's a weird there's something going on which is very, very interesting. And by the way, one of the other things is, have you noticed how the promotions of movies have changed and people haven't been able to figure the correct thing out?
I'll come to that.
podcast हो गया basically अभी. सब लोग
हाँ.
अलग-अलग podcast पे पूछते हैं सिवाय हमारे.
No, so
It's
So
because we record our podcast at 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't
No,
think
and-
Amitabh Bachchan.
No,
is
no.
awake.
By the way, if you listen to this podcast,
It will not come on.
particular,
I will do movie promotion. Wow, one more guy talks like this.
So this movie promotions thing, this movie promotions thing I wanted to talk about is that I think that across the board, and I was just looking at a couple of things that are happening, whether it is trying to gamify a promotion, whether it is trying to release a film, whether it is trying to cut a trailer teaser, because even that they've not got yet. There's some movies that do a motion poster, then 3D poster, then I will come and piss in your bathroom poster. God knows what all posters are there. There are 11 different variations
तू
of
क्या
that
ये
type of-
पोस्टर देख रहा है बाबा? ये कौन सा मूत वाला
तेरे
पोस्टर
घर पे आके कोई मूत के ही जा रहा है ऐसे और तू आने दे रहा है चूतिया. हम लोग को 10 बार पूछना पड़ता है ये रैंडम इंसान तेरे घर पे आ रहा है मूत के जा रहा है.
No, no, so-
आपके हार्पिक में नमक है.
अब मूत्रा का है वो बाथरूम में कि तेरे ऊपर.
पता नहीं, it depends.
Just marking territory.
ये पिक्चर देख.
to be honest,
अब
that's the one picture you will never forget.
yeah. उससे
अरे
कभी देखो
खेल-
सब
No,
3D
they're
में
doing-
देखेगा.
They're doing like augmented reality posters. There's like VFX out posters. There's QR code. Then somebody tried to do an AI poster where they did a campaign where the thing was, this is the cast, this is the logline, generate your own poster.
What?
तो यूजर्स ने बोला है कि लौड़े हम
अच्छा तो मैं ही दूं सारा का सारा. मैं ही प्रॉम्प्ट लिखूं और मैं ही अपना पोस्टर लिख. मैं ही पिक्चर जाके एंजॉय करता हूं ना. गिव मी अक्षय कुमार मूवी विद टाइगर श्रॉफ using machine gun and helicopter. Whatever comes out.
So I'm saying that what's happening currently in the
उससे बेटर वे नहीं है प्रमोशन का कि अगर तू ही टीजर पोस्टर बना रहा है तो भैंचोद और किसी को याद हो नहीं हो, तेरे को तो डेट याद रहेगी पिक्चर कब आ रही है. ठीक है. और फिर तू जाएगा तेरे दिमाग में चलते जाए पूरा 16 ऑफिस खेल में देख ही लेगा कि भैंचोद इतना काम किया है मैंने.
असली खेल तो यही है कि तेरे को
ठाकुर, अगर मैं ही पोस्टर बना रहा हूँ और मैं ही पोस्टर देख रहा हूँ,
तू ही देख रहे हैं. हाँ तो अबे तो अगर ऐसे सब लोग कर रहे हैं उससे
I like this movie.
imagine bro, everybody is making a poster for themselves which they will remember.
It's just 7 billion. It's just 1 billion posters with wrong spelling also because जल्दी में तुम prompt लिख रहे हो, you don't realize, and it's
So-
just
So anyway, I'm just
Akshay
saying.
Kumar has 7 fingers on each hand.
But no script in either of them. How do I hold it fall?
So now I'm saying that it's gotten a little chaotic. Okay,
Sorry.
so it's gotten a little. No, it's gotten a little. It's really chaos. Okay, so
The
earlier-
podcast?
No. this movie promotion game has gotten really like
Yeah.
I remember when we had gotten a brief long ago when I was at Ogilvy, and this is pre-pandemic, like when Brahmastra was still in the making, which is probably a decade ago, right? So
Part 1.
Yeah.
whatever. So I remember there was a conversation of how to promote the film and all of that, and how to break up the the fact that it's going to be in 3 parts and
How to break up the universe.
yeah, that's really what's happening in the movie anyway. So when this was happening, I remember the conversations at that point were insane कि हम लोग ड्रोन से ब्रह्मास्त्र बनाएगा रात को स्काई में, और
They
हाँ
did
बोला है
something.
आइडिया किया
They
है
did something similar.
yes I know.
Yeah.
तो हाँ बोला है आइडिया को, तो आई एम सेइंग एट दैट पॉइंट वी वर देयर, राइट? Now what's happened after that is the stunts and all have become crazier and crazier. Now there are people who are doing events in malls, not the ones that you normally see कि अक्षय कुमार आ रहा है. No, they're doing themed movie events in malls. Okay, तो तू मॉल के अंदर घुसेगा तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ है, ठीक है, तो
वो मशीन गन से मार रहा है मॉल में लोगों को.
हाँ. और वहां पे
सर,
सिक्योरिटी
ये
वाले को सब देख रहे
एक्टिंग
हैं.
करना था आपने रियल.
आपने इनको क्रॉस कैसे करा? और सिक्योरिटी वाला फिर भी लेके घूम रहा है अपना रॉड ऐसे.
तो
सर ये मशीन गन आपका है, लेके जाओ.
so people are doing special themed events. Then
But what happens, Baba? What happens? You enter the.
Yeah.
so in Stree, for example, if you had to do Stree, I don't know. I'm trying to find an example of one which they did. But what they're doing is they're doing a thematic event. So there will be somebody who greets you at this as a character. There will somebody who will put a hat on you. You will walk. Then your kids will have a play area. Then it's fucking crazy. So imagine Oberoi Mall has become one movie party. It's become it's become what's it called, like Universal
Disneyland.
Studios. It's become Universal
Achha.
Studios. So they're doing this. The craziest is what is happening is because Central India, where you can get a lot of people into single screen theaters or multiple screen theaters to be able to pull stuff. What's happening is they're doing, guys, I'm not shitting when I say this, okay? They're doing watch-alongs where B grade actors or supporting cast. So in B movies, the celebrities of B grade movies are coming to watch them together. But in big movies, the supporting cast is being sent to saying to जाके वो थिएटर में जाके पिक्चर देख पब्लिक के साथ. तो वो बैठा है और पब्लिक उसका मूवी देख रहा है साथ में, और वो है मूवी में 2-3 मिनट के लिए बेचारा, बट वो बैठ के पूरा पिक्चर देख रहा है. दिस इज हैपनिंग. एंड देन द क्रेजिएस्ट इज Q&A dinner nights.
Q&A dinner night.
Yes. तो क्या कर रहा है कि क्रू का बंदा,
लेकिन डिनर पे तू 10 लोग को बुलाएगा ना, 10 लोग के लिए कौन प्रमोट कर रहा है?
नहीं फिर उधर का लोकल प्रेस आ रहा ना सब.
10 लोग खाने बैठे.
अरे लेकिन तू
तो बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ क्यों बने आपने? Oh, actually,
Akshay is not
Wanted
going.
dinner. I just wanted some dinner.
I have food. It's
Akshay is not going for this, guys. Akshay is not going for this.
Of
It's
course.
just
Oh really?
it's just some randos. Okay, so
say who's going for बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ Q&A dinner night? बाकी बंदा नहीं बैठ रहा है क्या?
शाहरुख का डुप्लीकेट.
so the
The guy
reason for
who
this
made
is
the AI poster. वो अपने poster में
ये
अलग से-
राजेश ने बेस्ट एआई पोस्टर बनाया.
so the thing is how you screen a film at Cannes or whatever, and then you stay back for a Q&A, right? So they're trying to do this with dinner.
You're
Which movie
comparing
has
बड़े
done
मियाँ
this?
छोटे मियाँ to Khan.
Which
Khan
movie
Q&A.
has done this?
I have googled weirdest things people have done to promote
One
movies
second.
in India.
So, taking off from what Baba was talking about, here's an event that took place that beat a world record, and yet nobody went and saw the movie. So Akshay Kumar,
अरे
to promote his movie Selfie, broke the world record for most selfies in 3 minutes.
And
but
tell me,
he's taking selfies.
is it like the hug? Is it like the hug one?
The hug
Where
guy.
people are coming, kichik, he's taking.
He has
He's taking
taken
his own
100
selfie.
He has taken 184 selfies with public. Okay, one after the other.
तो पब्लिक आते हैं और
Wow.
अक्षय लेते जा रहे हैं.
Bro, there must be a
184
video
selfies
of
in
this,
3
na?
minutes. Of course there is. Of course. He's broken the Guinness Book of World Record.
But is he clicking it on the same phone? Is he just clicking it on his phone, or he's taking one person's phone?
Bro, the entire contribution of him in that is just ऐसा ये करना. लोग जा रहे हैं, वो थोड़ी हिलते जा रहे हैं लोगों के पास. लोग आते जाएंगे ना उसके पास.
Yeah, it's like the hugging one, na? That one
Yes.
where he hugs many people. वो वाला.
I think Akshay was just clicking 184 selfies and people were passing in the background.
Bro, 1 second. Yeah. He's basically clicking selfies
Hey.
and
Of course, he's not going to move across 180 people एक एक करके. चल, selfie public.
bro, it's too
Let's
funny. It's too funny. He's standing like this, okay? Okay. And वो पहले इधर खींचता है, फिर इधर खींचता है, फिर इधर खींचता है, फिर इधर खींचता है.
और पब्लिक एक एक करके
दोनों
जा रहे हैं.
side पे.
एक एक करते जाते जा रहे हैं.
184 in 3 minutes.
So that's 4 less than the number of people who watch.
बाद में 184 people are going, sir, ये WhatsApp पे share करना please.
मेरा नंबर लिख लो.
मैंने भी करा नंबर.
Send hi. Send hi to me on WhatsApp.
सर मेरी
But
वाइफ
you can-
बहुत बड़ी फैन है. आप एक बर्थडे विश करोगे? सो
But you
हैप्पी
can-
बर्थडे टू मी. सर आपका बर्थडे नहीं सर, मेरी वाइफ का बर्थडे.
But you can imagine the whole marketing team that has high-fived each other, saying कि bro ये तो break the internet, break
Bro,
the
I'm
record.
just saying that if your marketing stunt is more watched on YouTube than the movie that you have promoted with that marketing gimmick.
It's all about that, right? Like one thing where some people have abhi ye tauba, right? It was all over our fucking feeds for the
Yeah,
longest time. Who would have thunk कि randomly out of nowhere पब्लिक को शायद पिक्चर के बारे में मालूम नहीं था पहले.
नहीं.
जो मेरे को तो आदर ने जब वॉइस नोट भेजा था गाने का, मेरे को गाना मालूम नहीं था ब्रो.
Yeah, but it fucking blew up in a way that everybody is doing it. So that almost natural like push that it got, I mean, it seemed organic, but even for that, like you wouldn't have preempted कि ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. But in अभी वाला तेरा real generation, like getting a nice hook step with a nice song, which people can try and sort of do, and it looks complicated, but like a lot of people are still able to do it. And you
Yeah.
putting videos of they organically moving.
It's almost a flex, na? It's almost a flex to be able to do the move now. So
Yeah.
it's that ek pal ka jeena, those steps that were the cool ones. You want to like I've figured out how to do the Tauba Tauba thing. This is the breakdown, guys. If you want,
Oh,
this
no.
is the tutorial. This is what you do. The Tauba Tauba step is a man trying to cross the road that has been dug by the BMC. तो तुम एक पैर उठाते हो आगे रखने के लिए, पीछे वाला जमीन खसक जाता है वहां से. So and that is just repeatedly happening, and you're just avoiding falling into a pothole where there are exposed wires and running electricity. That is what it is. You're fighting for your life. This song has a social message.
That's why it says Tauba Tauba.
Tauba Tauba. You might die if you slip.
Yeah,
नहीं,
but
वो
but
picture देखा
Rahul,
लेकिन बैड न्यूज देखा.
नहीं देगा नहीं अभी.
The bad news is the movie, I think.
but loved the premise of the movie.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
What is
Ah.
the
But not seen.
Jordan, hear me, I tested for it, didn't get it.
Of course.
what is bad news?
तो ठाकुर को बैड न्यूज मिला है इसमें.
What is bad news?
The premise is that girl is pregnant and she doesn't know who the dad is
Who the dad?
between two different dudes.
Yeah.
So
But no. Also, the baby then ends up actually having like whatever.
Oh, yeah,
the
it's 50-50
DNA
or
of
something
both,
like that. Yeah.
both
Yeah.
men for some reason, which is
Yeah,
apparently
through
a
one-
medical anomaly that can happen.
through one quirk of plot.
Yeah.
So
This is
Ah.
who is in this movie?
Vicky Kaushal, Ami Virk, and that animal में वो लड़की थी ना, the second one, Tripti Dimri,
Yeah. Who got really popular afterwards. Yeah.
National Crush. That
Ah.
every day after anime was National Crush.
Sounds like a Viral Biyani post. National
Nice.
Crush.
So ये हर 2 महीने में कभी कुछ एक नया आता है, National Crush. फिर एक
Thanks for letting me know.
So the
Summer mein national crush is Gola.
so the
But Thakur, you're right about this thing. That one is that now, like earlier, music used to be a huge part of the promotion, right?
Yeah.
कि picture आ रहा है तो, you know, आधा, like you knew the film was mostly a hit if the songs were a hit.
yeah.
Hmm.
Like it rarely happened कि songs banger, movie not so great, or meaning movie public देखा नहीं.
Songs have
नहीं
made
ऐसा
them
हुआ है.
नहीं, नहीं, I'm
gotten
saying- I'm
asses in
saying-
the seats. Like songs literally translate.
Yeah.
Like वो Badtameez Dil actually made the movie like way more successful than it should have been.
Yeah, like exactly. My point is that when like 50% of the battle was won when the music was good. Like people heard
Yeah.
it on loop, and they were like, "Chal dekhte hain kya hai." Now the music also comes out sporadically, and you hear only the real portion of the song.
Literally 30
Also-
seconds.
But
Please
also remakes, na. Like if you look at Crew में the songs are चोली के पीछे क्या है
Hmm.
remake. मैं तेरा hero number one for some reason is in Crew.
I
Then
don't remember.
हाँ घाघरा जो I don't know why, but I saw that video and I saw, like, I've not seen Crew yet, but I saw that मैं तेरा hero number one for some reason was in the background with like Tabu and Kareena Kapoor, and घाघरा जो and it's just back to back songs that are remade. I didn't hear one original song in the album.
Yeah, like do you guys remember the time when the cassette used to come before the movie? So you would
Yeah.
get your hands on the cassette and it would have a little bit more information about the movie. It would have a few more pictures and you would be like, oh, I'm really waiting for this thing to come out.
तो
And the
वो हो
lyrics.
गया, उसके बाद सीडी हो गया, फिर तेरे टीवी पे गाने के वीडियो आने लगे.
कहते थे,
Yeah,
yeah.
Philips top 10.
गाने का वीडियो आया, ठीक है. Now how do we up the ante? So your early 2000s all were slightly more erotic music videos. So you had your Jisms, your Kasoor, and lot
The
of the
item song thing.
not item. This was like really like beautiful melodic songs, but it's picturized during a sex scene. Your Raz, basically all your Bhatt films, yeah. Bhatt films,
Yeah.
music, good looking actor, actress, some sensual song, blown up. Everybody has seen that song. It's stuck in their head. They've seen, oh, it's an erotic scene. Boom, straight theater में पहुंच गए.
जादू
ये
है
होठ
नशा
पे।
है, जादू है नशा.
सेम गाना 1000 बार टीवी पे देखे, फिर वापस थिएटर में गए.
No,
Because those guys are going saying कि अगर मेरे को ये सॉन्ग में इतना दिखा रहे तो पिक्चर में क्या क्या दिखाएंगे.
But it was a DCEU movie के सारा song में ही था.
नहीं, but वो था ना, then you had your murder and
Yeah.
then that became a thing. Then you had your, okay, hook step was always a thing, but that hook step taking precedence over the movie as promotion.
Yeah, Hookstep took a backseat and to Imran Hashmi standing. Just Imran Hashmi stand, not even mouthing the lyrics at times. Just Imran
Oh.
Hashmi standing, staring.
It was Imran Hashmi mouthing, but not lyrics.
Not the
Yeah.
lyrics.
No, but Thakur, what you're saying is right, which is there is a demand today for not just social media following, not just popularity, not just what you're posting and people putting comments and replying and DMs and all of that, but there is a huge demand for you to be able to in some way what page 3 में controversy होता था ना, to go viral before your promotion drops. Right? Like you need to go viral in some way. So this virality, and it's not just giving it to viral Biyani, right? You have to find a way to do something that goes viral.
No, then that's what you wait, right? अभी तेरा वर्ल्ड कप हो गया या आईपीएल चल रहा है, अरे कोई तो मूवी रिलीज हो, और अभी जर्सी पहन के she's come to watch the match क्योंकि वो she's playing a cricketer, तो वो तेरा यूजुअल तो चलते ही जा रहा है. And I'm saying like a hook step, like earlier if you saw
Yeah.
the movie, you liked the movie or whatever, अरे then you remembered the hook step. अभी तेरा तो reverse है, where I think many times they will have to engineer that, okay, what sort of a hook step or something that we can do that will
So,
already add
like,
to the promo. And when I say hook step, I'm not just meaning the dance step. It could be like a hook in the music, especially that you want to
Yeah.
play on reels and shorts and all of that.
no, it's like the desperation to do it has gotten to a point where what will go viral. Like Son of Sardar, This was I don't know if you remember this song, Pom 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 Pom. This is the lyrics.
How could I
Which
forget?
is, and the hook step is Salman Khan, Sanjay Dutt, all these guys just going gargle, like मुंह में तो कुल्ला कर रहा है ना. This was the hook step.
Oh, I do remember this.
That is it.
I
It's
remember
just close-ups of all
Yes.
these actors just
Because
gargling.
they've all told the DOP, हम लोग vanity में बैठ रहे हैं, तू shoot कर.
They're all eating. They're like, sir, we're ready for a shot now.
Choreo-
यही करेंगे.
So choreographer has set up.
Still do.
And there is another song in which Salman has put his shirt on top of his head and is just dancing.
Oh yeah, I remember this too.
That is it.
Fun fact, that's not Salman. He didn't show up on set that day.
Yeah.
So they just made the choreographer do this. And people are like, why? Just आगे बढ़. Viral.
Yeah, it is CT Mar. The song's name is CT Mar. And CT Marna is very difficult with your shirt in front of your mouth.
Sir, आवाज नहीं आया.
But also it's CT मार because वो भाई को बुला रहे हैं. CT मार के भाई को बुला रहे, भाई आइए.
But it went viral, right? That's the main thing.
It went viral.
Bro,
Proper
anything
viral.
he does becomes viral, bro.
Dude, it has.
I will never forget the fact that he put one full glass of alcohol in his pocket.
वो video बहुत funny. And he walked like so.
No
And the
fucks.
thing is, the beauty is nobody else tried to stop him or tell him,
No.
glass up, pocket
No,
there.
no,
Okay, Bhai's hook steps are so dumb and it's so popular. People are using it in the lyrics.
What?
There is a song called Alcoholia. Alcoholia. And this is Ritik from Vikram Veda. This is a recent step. Okay, and in Alcoholia, the lyrics are Alcoholia, Alcoholia, नाच खींच पैरों के बीच से तू तौलिया. They're describing the. They're just describing the step. He's not even doing the actual step. He's describing it.
Wow.
Alcoholia, Alcoholia, पी
मेरे को याद
पी
नहीं
के
है.
लखनऊ आ गए Mongolia. I have no idea what this lyric is. पी के लखनऊ लगे हैं. Sorry, पी के लखनऊ लगे हैं Mongolia.
No, this is, you know what this is? The lyricist has forgotten to write it. Then he has gotten a message from the producer saying, "Hey bro, waiting on the lyrics." हाँ सर भेज रहा हूँ अभी.
इसका डांस फोल्डर भेज दिया है. डांस
Yeah, all the stuff he has kept aside because it doesn't work.
He
You know,
did it.
when you're writing on drafts, what you want is on top, and then everything is down. So he must have tried Alcoholia, Mongolia.
तौलिया.
But I still can't believe. I'm sorry. I started laughing when you spoke about Bhai walking out of the car with alcohol. The reason why it's funny in every universe is that he has walked out with a glass, then not taken a sip because he's realized he's in public. He's not gone back to put it. He's put it in a jeans that's too tight. So,
But it's the advantage because the glass won't fall, then it'll get
Yeah.
locked correctly. Or it
alcohol,
might break.
the glass is still there.
But उसको किसी ने बोला भी नहीं कि भाई रख दो. उसने
अरे बट किसी को लगा नहीं कि भाई पिएंगे आज भाई ग्लास लेके खुद आए ब्रिंग योर ओन ग्लास
But I think Bhai has started.
Bhai,
Bhai selects his lyrics. Bhai selects his lyrics very like he takes it personally. I know for a
अब
fact he
आदत
takes
तेरा
a,
कुछ और ही ट्रिप चल रहा है इधर भाई ग्लास लेके जा रहा है तेरे को अभी भी लिरिक्स का खत्म करने का रुक
No,
I
because
want to hear the lyrics.
so because the one thing you cannot accuse Bhai of is being selfless to a degree where he ignores himself. But decided in race 3 there should be a song called the Selfish Song. And the lyrics are, एक बार baby selfish होके अपने लिए जियो ना. That is the hook line of the song.
Wow. एक बार
This-
baby जी.
Oh.
This is self-care. This is bhai going love yourself and self-care.
It is like whatever is the buzzword. I'm telling you, we are not too far away. Where before भाई के एक इसमें ना गाने में रिज ये सब
Yeah, yeah.
ये सब
Yeah,
होने
yeah.
वाला यूज.
Yes, yes.
एक तो गाने में सोलो लू डाल रहा ही है भाई. तू एक ले ले.
वो
तू देख ले.
सलूलू.
हमका डेलूलू सिर्फ सोलू
सलूलू.
है. अरे जेंजी
सलूलू is Delulu.
Delulu, हाँ.
डेलूलू is सलूलू.
Delulu.
सलूलू.
वही तो
Salulu is Delulu.
But bro, I fully agree, and I think that is the fastest way to get Gen Z to not use those words.
Just put it in a bhai song.
The minute
This is
I starts doing
great.
डेलूलू.
Whoever is close to bhai right now, please get him to use Riz Delulu in one of his songs.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Another trend that had gone on was the food items in the songs.
Oh yeah.
Just
yeah.
excessive amount of food items.
Bro, एक
like-
मिनट, वो तेरे अंकल ने स्टार्ट किया. जब तक रहेगा
हाँ,
समोसे
हाँ.
में आलू तो क्या ब्रो?
it has gone
आलू
crazy.
चाय नाश्ता पोहा इडली.
Dude,
Then
by the
there's-
way, I
Huh.
can't tell you how much my brain broke when I was a small boy and I first heard मैं रास्ते से
आलू
जा
एंड
रहा
आलू.
था. नहीं,
भेलपुरी खा रहा था.
भेलपुरी खा रहा
भेलपुरी.
था. I was like, I'm being represented on a level I didn't know.
Yeah.
As the Belpuri eater or the maker?
Bro, I mean, I can't tell you how much the fact that they had, because like the songs that my parents used to listen to were written by like,
Majnu Sultanpuri.
Majnu Sultan,
Gulzar.
Sahir Ludhianvi and all these guys.
Yeah.
And then suddenly मैं रास्ते से जा रहा था
Lyrics by Samir.
Samir.
Lyrics
तुझे
by Samir.
मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या
Now it is Kumar. Kumar has become very popular. So now it's lyrics by Kumar.
अरे but bro,
काफी पुराना है भाई.
जब तक
हाँ.
रहेगा समोसे में आलू चिपकी रहेगी तुझसे ये शालू is
नहीं तेरा रहूंगा ओ मेरी
मेरी
शालू.
शालू.
but the female version is
चिपका
चिपकी
रहूंगा. No,
No,
people were
no.
not saying that. Only you are saying this.
No, the female
people were-
version. अरे बाबा, when the girl sings it, she says चिपकी रहेगी तुझसे ये शालू. It's there, bro. The song.
वो बाबा has gone 2 steps ahead.
अरे ब्रो, मैं बहुत पूरा गाना सुना है 4-5 बार. पागल है क्या? तो
It has
Yeah.
because जब वो चालू हुआ था, Fevicol had become a thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Fevicol
Jhandu Balm.
से
Zandu Balm.
Jhandu Balm was the original one, which was Munni Badnaam Hui. Then recently I saw one which I thought it's an Amit Trivedi song. So I am assuming it's got the vibe of Tauba Tera, the emotional atyachar. I think that is what they were going for, but it didn't quite hit home because the video didn't reflect the satirization of it. So the song is तेरे चुम्मे में च्यवनप्राश है.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
जो
yeah.
विटामिन जैसा हर अंदाज है, विटामिन जैसा हर अंदाज है, कैलोरी तन की तू जलाती है. ओ माय गॉड तेरे नैनों से जब तीर चलाती है. it's
मैं सुना ही नहीं है गाना बे.
Yeah.
Yes, I've heard this
तेरी
song.
जुल्फों तले सांस भरने में ही मेडिटेशन का एहसास है. तू ही ट्रेनर है, तू ही प्रेमिका, तू ही ट्रेनर, तू ही प्रेमिका, चलती फिरती तू योगा क्लास है. तेरे चुम्मे में च्यवनप्राश है.
चुम्मे में
This is a song by
Bhavesh
song-
Joshi superhero, Amit Trivedi, and the
Bhavesh
guy
Joshi.
dancing to it is Arjun
तेरे
Kapoor.
चुम्मे में
Steve.
बनकाश ऐसे कुछ तो.
हाँ. It has gone. Then there's the Evergreen, which is Expose by Himesh. आइसक्रीम
Oh.
खाऊंगी, कश्मीर जाऊंगी, शोलों में भड़ के जी.
वो
Dude,
तो
by the way,
खराब हो गया भाई. अभी मैं इमेज को सिर्फ उसके रील्स पे देखता हूँ जो अपने गानों को गाते हुए वर्कआउट करता है. ब्रो
हाँ.
एक बहुत फनी वीडियो, ठीक है, ये आता है, बोलता है his habit is he gets his phone on, he's like, hi everyone, okay, so he's with his wife, so he does, hi everyone. Hi everyone, And then somebody was remixing a video, and his name is Vivan, and he's like,
Hi, Vivan.
Hi Vivan, hi Vivan, hi Vivan. They try to say everyone, but they say hi Vivan. Please take. Hi Vivan, hi
Bro,
Vivan.
Himesh is outstanding on Instagram. He is too good.
Bro, उसको कुछ तो हो गया था, कभी काढ़ा पीता है, खुद के ही लिरिक्स सुनते हुए ना अपने आप को मिरर में देखते रहता है. I love it. He's so unabashedly Himesh.
Yeah.
He don't give a fuck.
I feel the day the cap came off, that's when one Himesh died and another Himesh took his place.
Arey bro, there's one where he knocks on the door, he only opens the door.
What?
Yeah. कुछ है bro. It's a bit where he's singing both parts. So he's on one side of the door and he opens the door. I don't know what the fuck, bro. It's too good.
There was that whole Himesh era. By the way, so just the other day, we were seeing like I don't know how this happened, okay, but Siddhi and I went down this one rabbit hole, and we were like, there's a bunch of songs where they have filmed the singer or the composer in the song.
Yeah.
Okay, like for example, do you guys remember this song, Banthana Chali?
Yeah, that has Upinder Singh.
Banthana Chali. It has Sukhwinder in it. Then you know which other song we found? Rind Poshmal.
Yeah,
Shankar
उसमें
Ehsaan.
शंकर महादेवन और एहसान और लॉयड
Hey,
भी
bro, in
Yeah.
Bazigar that Chupana
Bazigar.
Bhi Nahi Aata is Vinod Rathod and Anu Malik. Both are in
Anu
the
Malik.
Yeah. So I was like, there has to be a playlist, right? Somewhere on YouTube. But
Of
we couldn't
course there
find
is.
it. So if you know of a playlist with singers in the song,
I'll look it.
please send.
Every Himesh
Uh,
technically.
Himesh, yeah.
Oh God. एक और food related item, which is not a Bollywood song, but this whole trend of just songs being released by T-Series randomly.
On food.
नहीं, हाँ, but this particular song has food in it. But like it's a drink. So तुझ बिन तन्हा पड़ गई मैं, है प्यासी ही मर गई मैं, जालिमा कोका कोला पिला दे. I had never heard this song. This has 100 million views. Noora Fateh is dancing to it. I have never. Shreya Ghoshal is singing these words. These words have been immortalized by Shreya Ghoshal.
But वो एक अलग ही सीन है. Where they are, उन लोग का ये है ना, they'll get one popular singer, one popular face, और उनके इस पे सीधा 100, 150, 200, 500, मतलब insane चल रहा है उनका AdSense सोच.
Yeah, this is what they're using to compete with PewDiePie ना. ये PewDiePie वीडियो बनाता है, ये इनका content creation है.
There was a whole, I feel like there was one full era where they used to just release one new Badshah song where Badshah would just whisper the lyrics into your ear. It was so weird.
आए मेरे दिल में
It's your boy Badshah. I think he's not even sung that. He doesn't sing that over and over again. He sung that once 10 years ago, and he
Bro,
reuses
it was
that.
a voice note that he
Yeah.
said something.
He just sent somebody a voice note on WhatsApp. ये
और वो गाना भी नहीं है, वो ऑर्डर है. सुन, मैं खाऊंगा एक पिज्जा, एक खाऊंगा 2 पिज्जा, 2 पे कोक और 3 पैन केक बना, 1 बोनलेस चिकन मैंने. सर, आपका ऑर्डर अगर मैं लेके इसको थोड़ा आगे पीछे डाल दूं तो आपको चलेगा क्या? तो चलेगा ना, तू देख ये तू ले. सर ऐसे ही बोलते रहो, आप भेजते रहो.
मैं अब भी यशराज मुखर्जी को भेज रहा हूँ सर, अब भी.
हाँ, वो यशराज जी
यशराज
कर
जी,
सकता
अरे
है
बाबू.
immediately.
And then you get Noora Fateh in the video, and then it's some
100
viral.
million. तो
एक कोई था वीडियो of like Badshah with like a classical singer or somebody and like senior, very senior. So Badshah is literally like this, and वो उनको सुना रहा है गाना. And then the lady after the song is going on, she's like, अच्छा अभी एक गाना गा के सुनाओ.
तो मैं तो कब से तो गाना था. अच्छा आप गा रहे थे, मुझे आप बात
अब बहुत अच्छा लगा बेटा, अब ये गा के सुनाओ.
चलो On that note, that's the end of this episode. अच्छा लगा तुमको तुम पसंद करना मैं तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो, एंगेजमेंट मेरा बड़ा बड़ा
Oh God.
सब्सक्राइब गाना
It's your boy.
बना बना
It's your boy Badshah.
आज that's all for this episode. Okay, बस मेरे से और नहीं होता. अगर आपको मेरा बादशाह गाना पसंद आया तो नीचे डालिए. अगर आप इसका बना के ऑटो ट्यून करके कर सकते हो तो कीजिए. आपका बहुत टैलेंट के लिए आपको
If someone does it, we'll just straight use that as the outro. Straight.
yeah.
Yeah.
If you manage in another episode, in the next episode, because once you watch it, if you actually manage to take that and make it into a song, fucking it'll be great. And then use it as cold open for next episode. Fuck,
Super.
this is giving that movie that asks people to make their own teaser poster.
एक मेरे पास लास्ट
Where does it stop?
गाना है.
Where does it stop? Do one thing. You write your own script.
हाँ वो तो होएगा ही. But
You
then
make your own movie.
you take that script and drop it in a video generator, and the video generator will give you a 2-hour movie watching experience.
And then you send it to us.
Yeah. And then we will charge you for having done that. तो तुमको हम टिकट का पैसा तुमसे ले लेंगे जीपे करके.
इसके
And
पहले
we'll file a lawsuit against you for copyright infringement. That should teach you.
तूने अपलोड कैसे किया YouTube पे? This was only for your watching experience.
तू होता कौन है AI का पोस्टर बनाने वाला?
अच्छा, बट बाय द वे बिफोर वी फॉरगेट, थोड़ा हाइजीन अनाउंसमेंट करना चाहिए. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब वो सब तो करो, लेकिन मुंबई लास्ट शो हैपनिंग 24th and then 28th 29th we are in Amsterdam, Berlin 5th October.
और September 24th August Bombay, 28th 29th.
हाँ, सितंबर में यूरोप में है, अक्टूबर में लंदन में 5th अक्टूबर. तो सारे टिकट्स है, प्लीज ले लो, शो को सेल आउट कर दो, मजा आएगा. उधर आके आप सबके साथ हम भंकस कर पाएंगे. And yeah, that's all from this episode of the Internet Set. So we were talking about the latest updates from our favorite topic, Bollywood. If you have any other updates, interesting insights, let us know in the comments. And we'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh.
Hold up.
मेरे पास एक और गाना है, सैफ अली खान. I found a gem which we have never heard. I had never seen it, and it is an Annu Malik song sung by Udit Narayan and written by Qatil Shifai.
Qatil.
Now
Qatil.
Qatil. Huh. Now the lyrics are, this is the preload intro, like a rap. So आजकल latest है rap. So please understand how old this song is. आजकल latest है rap. रैप को भी जो करते हैं रॉन्ग, मैं लाया हूं रैट सॉन्ग. एंड ही इज सिंगिंग दिस एंड डांसिंग होल्डिंग अ रैट. इट इज सैफ अली खान डांस एंड देन ही थ्रोज एंड देयर इज रैट्स ऑल अराउंड एंड द एक्ट्रेस इज स्कैर्ड, एवरीबॉडी इज स्कैर्ड, एंड देन दे आर डांसिंग विद रैट्स इन अ रैट सॉन्ग.
I'm assuming the rats are animated and it's not just.
No, this is legit rats. These are legit.
What?
It's a rat song.
This is
He's
the
dancing.
song. This is the song that killed Tupac.
Okay, look at this. This is the verse. अमेरिका में चूहे को कहते हैं मिक्की, लंदन की चूहिया कहते हैं किसको टिक्की. इस इंडिया में इस चूहे का नाम बड़ा है, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक खड़ा है.
ये क्या है भाई?